Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Madam, we are fine.
I'm also fine, beta. Okay, everyone. So, everyone is fresh and fine. Everyone is ready for reading essay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So, firstly, we will do the prayer. Then we will start our work. Okay. So, everyone, be ready. Join your hand. Close your eyes. Start 3 times Gayatri mantra. Start. स्वः तत्सेवितु हरे भर्गो
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Okay, beta. Now do the exercise. Raise your hand to 5 times. Down. Again straight. Down. Again straight. Down. Done. 5 times.
Ma'am, who will give the thought of the day? Yes, ma'am, who will give the thought of the day?
Write in chat box whose turn is. Diya, you have a thought? Diya Kachrani. Diya Kachrani, you have a thought, beta? A winner is a dreamer who never give up. Okay, very good. Prachi's thought, a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Okay, this is our thought of the day. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Okay, जो winner होता है वो कभी भी give up नहीं करता, means त्याग नहीं करता. A winner is a dreamer means जो विनर है वो जीतने की जो ख्वाहिश है, जो उसका एम है वो रखता है, वो उस चीज को कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करता. गिव अप मीन्स त्याग देना, किसी चीज को छोड़ देना. ओके तीर्थ, टुमारो इज योर टर्न. ओके तीर्थ. So now we will start our chapter. Our chapter is remaining. Today we will complete the explanation. Okay, and after that I will ask you if you have any doubt in any topics, you can ask me. Okay, so let's start. Our chapter is chapter 2, diversity and discrimination. Topic is explanation, striving for equality. Okay, striving for equality. Striving means to do hard work to get something. Okay, so here is striving for equality means do hard work to get equality. Okay, so our topic is striving to equality. So now everyone open your textbook. I am going to share the screen. Open your page number 21. It's remaining. Page number 17. Striving for equality. Okay. If you want to write the meaning of striving, you can write striving right in your textbook. Write here, underline it and write its meaning. Striving means to try very hard to get or do. Try to try very hard to do or get. Okay. So now we have completed this paragraph. We have to read from here. Yes or no? We have completed both the paragraph. Today we will start from the last paragraph of page number 21. When India became. Ready everyone? Yes or no? Page number 21. Last paragraph. Okay. So now I'm giving the name. Who will read it? Neville Vadavia, you start reading. Neville, beta, start reading. Page number 21, last paragraph.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Start, beta. Neville, ready, beta? Neville, you are ready?
When India became a nation in 1947, our leaders too were concerned about the different kinds of inequalities that existed. Those who wrote the Constitution of India, a document that laid out the rules by which the nation would function, were aware of the ways in which is a crime and has been legally abolished by law. People are free to choose the kind of work they wish to do. Government jobs are open to all people. In addition, the Constitution also places responsibility on the government to take specific steps to release this right to equality for poor and other such marginal communities.
Okay. Read also this paragraph.
The writers of the Constitution also said that respect for diversity was a significant element in ensuring its equality. They felt that people must have the freedom to follow their religion, speak their language, celebrate their festivals, and express themselves freely. They said that no one language, religion, or festival should become compulsory for all to follow. They said that the government must treat all religions equally.
Okay, beta. Let me explain. Okay, so what is given here? When India became nation in 1947, our leaders too were concerned about the different kinds of inequalities that existed. Okay, so what is given here? When India became free in 1947, it was a big challenge near our leaders to unite our country. Okay, and many of our leaders had experience of discriminations, so they were aware about all the side effects of all types of discriminations and inequalities. Okay, so they realized and thought that they must have to remove or try to remove all types of discrimination from our society and all types of inequalities. Okay, and this work which work try to remove inequalities and discrimination from our society was on the shoulder of the people, those have to wrote our constitutions. Those have to wrote our constitutions means ऐसे लोग जिन्हें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखने का काम दिया गया था, एंड वन ऑफ देम वाज भीमराव अंबेडकर. एज यू नो, ही इज नॉन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस, यानी इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस को बनाने वाले वो ही हैं. ओके, एज यू नो दैट फॉर राइटिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया द टाइम इज टेकन 3 years 1 month and 18 days. ओके, इतना टाइम हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस को लिखने में लगा था बिकॉज आवर लीडर्स, दोज वर राइटिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस, एनालाइज, दे फर्स्टली दे मूव or they went in the different part of our country. Okay, and previously they have an experience that which thing and which type of thoughts were very crucial for us. It means जिनसे हमारी कंट्री को बहुत नुकसान हुआ है, तो उन्होंने ये पहले से ही सोच के रखा कि हम अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को इस तरीके से डिजाइन करेंगे कि उसके अंदर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और इनइक्वालिटी जैसी चीज होगी ही नहीं. हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इट मीन्स आवर लॉ विल गिव द इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ईच एंड एवरी person. Okay, so our constitution, the maker of constitutions of India laid out the rules by which the nation would function. तो उन्होंने एक ऐसा फंक्शन निकाला जिससे क्या आई, अवेयरनेस आई इंडिया के अंदर. ओके, और किस तरीके का रूल उन्हें बनाना था जिससे क्राइम कम हो सके एंड हैज बीन लीगली अबॉलिश्ड बाय लॉ. और जो इनइक्वालिटी है, जिन चीजों से इनइक्वालिटी आती है और डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है लाइक कास्ट सिस्टम एंड अदर ऑल थिंग्स, उन्हें लीगली हटाया जाए. लीगली मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, उसका एक पर्टिकुलर रूल होना चाहिए. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द सम रूल्स अबाउट द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन on the basis of caste system. If in nowadays any people do any types of discrimination based on caste system to anyone, it means he did the crime. जिस भी पर्सन ने कास्ट के अकॉर्डिंग किसी के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन किया, यानी भेदभाव किया, पार्शियलिटी की, और अगर उस डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड पीपल ने कंप्लेन कर दिया, उसके अगेंस्ट एफआईआर दर्ज करवाई, तो फिर उस पर्सन की जिसने उसे डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया था उसे सजा मिलेगी. दिस रूल इज रिटन इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कि किसी के साथ भी किसी तरीके का भेदभाव करना, इट्स अ वर्क ऑफ लीगल एक्शन. इट मीन्स कोई ऐसा करेगा तो उसके अगेंस्ट लीगल एक्शन लिया जाएगा और उसे पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. तो इस तरीके से हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फ्रेम किया गया कि सभी पीपल्स को इक्वलिटी मिले. ओके, एंड हियर इज पीपल आर टू चूज, और इक्वलिटी मिलेगी, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, पीपल आर चूज द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दे विश टू डू. All the peoples were free. All the peoples are free now in present day. We have right to choose any work which we wish to do and in which we have interest and in which work we have a skill. No matter you are belongs to scheduled caste, no matter you are belongs to upper caste, no matter, any person can choose their work and occupation. Each and every person of India has the right to join the government job, but on the basis of their we can say that skill. उनके अंदर जो स्किल है, स्किल और उनकी एजुकेशन, उन सबको इस लेवल पर लेकर आती है कि इंडिया में हर एक पर्सन किसी भी तरीके के जॉब को पा सकते हैं। बट इसके लिए यहाँ पर डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा कि वो अपनी जो काबिलियत है उनकी, उनके अंदर जो स्किल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो कौन सी जॉब पा सकते हैं, वो उन पे डिपेंड करता है। ओके, अब हम यहाँ पर ये नहीं लेंगे कि कोई पर्सन है, उसे सपोज उसे ड्राइंग टीचर बनना है, बट उसे ड्राइंग आती ही नहीं है, देन हाउ कैन ही विल टीच। तो यहाँ पर किस पर्सन को जॉब मिलेगी? जो उससे ज्यादा स्किल्ड है। तो यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं कहलाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर उनके अंदर जो गुण है, उनके अंदर का जो क्वालिटी है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग उन्हें वो जॉब मिल रही है। ओके, लेकिन जब हम किसी के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करते हैं कि वो हिंदू है, मुस्लिम है, वो गरीब है, अमीर है, then this is called discrimination and stereotypes. Okay, so now in additional, the constitution also placed responsibility on the government to take specific steps to release this right to equality for poor and other such marginal communities. Marginal communities means ऐसी communities जो बिल्कुल खतरे की लाइन पे, यानी कि धीरे धीरे वो लोग खत्म होते जा रहे हैं, उनका ग्रुप खत्म होता जा रहा है। ओके, तो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हर एक गवर्नमेंट को, चाहे वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हो या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हो, सबको ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी है कि जो पुअर हैं और जो मार्जिनल कम्युनिटीज के लोग हैं और कास्ट वाइज डिवाइडेड है, उनकी टेक केयर की जाए, उन्हें हर एक तरीके की फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की जाए। ओके, नाउ the writers of the constitutions also said that respect for diversity was a significant element in ensuring quality. Okay, now the writers of the constitutions means peoples, group of peoples, those wrote our constitution, said that we should respect our diversity, and when we respect our diversity, it means it's showing equality, it's ensuring, yani ki it's give us the guarantee of equality. When we respect our diversity and accept everything, it means this is showing that we are guaranteed, we are all equal. Grantfully we are equal. Grantfully we are equal. Okay, now they felt that people must have the freedom to follow their religion, and our constitutions also give us freedom, which is known as the right freedom of religion. Okay, it means we all Indian people are free to choose or practice any religion in our country. Okay, and speak there and celebrate their festivals and express themselves freely. Express themselves freely means we have a right to express our thinking, to give us our ideas, to give us our thoughts. Okay, but all the things should be peacefully, in manners. If we will not do all the things peacefully, then this right will not work on us. Okay, our government will snap these things. Okay, so they said that no one language, religion or festival should become compulsory for all to follow. Okay, our constitutions and our writers of constitution said that कि हमारी country में no any one religion, no any one language, no any one culture should be compulsory to follow all of them. यानी सभी के लिए किसी भी एक तरीके की लैंग्वेज, कल्चर या ड्रेस जबरदस्ती एक जैसी नहीं होगी. इट मीन्स द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन इज कि किसी के साथ भी जबरदस्ती कोई पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, सपोज हिंदी ले लेते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है हमारी कंट्री में कि कंपलसरी सबको हिंदी बोलनी ही है, कंपलसरी सबको हिंदू धर्म अपनाना ही है या मुस्लिम धर्म अपनाना ही है, ऐसा कंपलसरी नहीं है. Our government, our constitutions, our writers of constitutions gave us this right that we are free to choose any religion, we are free to speak any language, we are free to stay any place, we are free to choose any occupation. Okay. They said that the government must treat all religion equal, and our constitutions and the people, those wrote our constitution, said that all the religion should be equal near our government. हमारी जो सरकार है उसके लिए कोई हिंदू मुस्लिम नहीं होगा. All the people belongs belongs to different religion will equal. Okay. सारे के सारे रिलीजन हमारी कंट्री में एक ही होंगे. ओके. सबको इक्वल राइट मिलेगा. जो राइट हिंदूज को है वही राइट मुस्लिम्स को मिलने चाहिए. जो राइट सिख को है वही राइट मुस्लिम्स के पास भी होने चाहिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड द ट्रू इक्वालिटी. ओके. नाउ देयरफॉर India became a country where people of different religions and faiths have discrimination had been practiced in our society, and how people had struggled against this. Many leaders of these struggles, such as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, had also fought for the right of the Dalits. अब बच्चों देखो अपनी all the types of discriminations which are in our country. When India became a secular country where people of different religions and faith have discriminations had been practiced in our society. अब देखो बच्चों अपनी कंट्री एक सेकुलर कंट्री बन गई है. इट मीन्स जहां पर सब धर्म एक समान है. ओके. लेकिन फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हमारी सोसाइटी में हो रहा है. और हाउ पीपल हैड स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट दिस, और किस तरीके से लोग इसका स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, इसे दूर करने की स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. इवन जो दलित पीपल हैं, दोज आर एजुकेटेड, दे हैव अ बिग पोस्ट of government job, but still they are not giving respect to other upper class people. अपर क्लास के लोग चाहे भले खुद ही कुछ अच्छी जॉब पे ना हो, कुछ भी नहीं आता उन्हें, बट फिर भी वो अपने आप को सुपीरियर मानते हैं और उन दलित्स को, अनटचेबल पीपल्स को, जो कि बहुत आगे निकल चुके हैं, उन्हें आज भी टॉर्चर करते हैं. ओके. सो वी शुड नॉट डू लाइक दिस. So these leaders set out a vision and goals in the constitution to ensure that all the people of India were considered equal. अब जगह जगह पर इंडियन पीपल्स ने अपने राइट्स के लिए स्ट्राइक किए, स्ट्रगल किया, और उनमें बहुत सारे लीडर्स थे जिनमें से एक डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर भी थे. ओके. और जो लीडर्स थे उनका मेन विजन और गोल मीन्स उद्देश्य और लक्ष्य क्या था कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आगे सारे लोग, सारे पीपल एक जैसे हों, एक इक्वल हो, इस तरीके की कंडीशन को क्रिएट करना. दिस इक्वालिटी ऑफ ऑल पर्सन इज सीन एज अ की वैल्यू दैट यूनाइट्स अस ऑल एज इंडिया. और जब ये इक्वालिटी जो है, समानता जो है, वो हमें कब दिखाई देती है? जब हम हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई कुछ भी हो जाए, एक होकर अपने देश के लिए खड़े होते हैं. इफ यू विल सी इन आर्मी, देयर वर नॉट ओनली हिंदू पीपल्स, देयर आर ऑल्सो हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, बट दे ऑल fight for our country. They all doing work for our nation, and our nation is one. We have one nation, and our community are divided in different parts. But still, we all are Indian. Our country is one, but it doesn't mean we are 1,000. We are also one. No matter Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, we all are equal. We all are one. Okay. So, this equality of all persons is seen as the key value that unites us all as Indians. Everyone has equal right and opportunity. Okay, in our country now everyone has equal rights and opportunity. Now untouchability is seen. The freedom to practice and follow their religion without any discriminations. Okay, now untouchability जो है अब वो बहुत कम दिखाई देती है. आज भी है अनटचेबिलिटी, यानी कि किसी को छोटा बड़ा मानना, लेकिन अब पहले जैसी कंडीशन नहीं है, लेकिन 100% खत्म भी नहीं हुई है ये चीजें। ओके, सो अनटचेबिलिटी इज सीन द फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। ओके, अब उन्हें, जो अनटचेबल पीपल है, उन्हें कुछ कहने की, कुछ करने की और किसी भी धर्म को मानने और अपने धर्म पर, अपने रिलीजन पे प्राउड फील करने का राइट है। ओके, हैव यू एनी डाउट टिल हियर बेटा? हैव यू एनी डाउट टिल हियर? नो डाउट? ओके, through these ideas we were here, freedom to practice and follow their religion without any fear of discrimination. Okay, this is seen as an important element of our unity. I have explained this line that we all live together and respect one another. Now, through these ideas, we are enshrined in our constitutions. और इस आइडिया से हम सब अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एक होकर रह रहे हैं. This chapter points out the inequalities exist even today. और इस चैप्टर में बहुत सारी इनइक्वालिटी ऐसी हैं जो आज भी उभर कर सामने आती हैं. मीन्स हमारे सामने आज भी ऐसी इनइक्वालिटीज हैं जो हमारी सोसाइटी में प्रेजेंट है. ओके, नाउ equality is a value that we have to keep. Now, here is the definition of equality. It is a question in your worksheet. Equality is a value that we have to keep striving for and not something which will happen automatically. Okay. Now, people's struggles and positive actions by the government are necessary to make this a reality for all Indians. Okay. The last line is saying that it is the work of our government. Our government should work very hard to make this reality. Okay, इस चीज को रियलिटी बनाना कि हमारी कंट्री में किसी भी तरीके का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ना हो. ओके एवरीवन, क्लियर? एवरीवन क्लियर बेटा? Have you any doubt till here? Now here is match the following. Match the following. Everyone clear beta? Have you any doubt? बेटा किसी को भी कोई डाउट हो तो आपको. ओके, here is, it means एक बंधन में बंधा होना. ओके, में बंधे हुए होना. Enshrined means tied in a one thread. हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हमें एक थ्रेड में बांध दिया है. ओके, ओके बेटा, tied in a one thread. Yes, I am telling Dhara. It means we all became one. We all became one. It means we all are now tied in a one thread by our constitutions. We are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai or Brahmin, upper caste, lower caste, no matter. I gave the meaning beta. Dhara, I gave the meaning. Diya, what happened? This is one. Beta, don't say by. Wait, don't leave and don't give the stickers. Don't give the stickers, beta, without permission. Now I'm going to take your attendance, then I am going to ask you question about this. If you don't have any doubt, you have to give oral test. We have completed. Okay, in homework you have page number 40 in work, page number 40 in worksheet. No doubt, beta. So now give me answer of the match following. Two surgeons were sitting down to lunch when one of them made a call on the mobile. Here are the following statements in a way that challenges stereotypes. Give the answer. Here is suffers from chronic asthma to become an astronaut, which she did to speak with her daughter who had just returned from school on a wheelchair to collect his prize. Two surgeons were sitting down to lunch. When one of them made a call on the mobile phone. Now here is the boy who won the drawing competition went to the diyas. Who will give this answer? Who is giving answer? First is third. Mobile phone to speak with her daughter who had just returned from school. Okay. Correct. Now for B, the boy who won the drawing competition went to the diyas. D, the boy who won the drawing competition went to diyas. On a wheelchair to collect his prize. Okay. Now, yes, fourth. Now see, one of the fastest athlete in the world. Okay, first, suffers from chronic asthma. Now she was not that well off but had a dream to become an astronaut, which she did. Yes. 4 के लिए 2, जो D ऑप्शन है उसके लिए 2. Okay. Give me answer. I'm giving you statement. You have to give the one word answer. Okay. One word answer for a statement. Okay. Now tell me a fixed idea about any person which is not true in reality is called a fixed idea for a particular person which is not true in reality is called a fixed idea. Yes, Vishwa, very good. A fixed idea for a person which is not true in reality is called stereotypes. Not dream, beta, it's a stereotype. Okay. Now, next is when we do bad behavior or we have a bad thinking for any person because he is not like us, this is called, yes, very good. This is called discrimination. This is called discrimination. Very good. This is called discrimination. Okay. Now, next statement is, everyone give the answer, beta. You have to understand all the words. Okay. Now, give me the meaning of striving. What do you mean by the striving? Striving meaning. Give the striving meaning. Striving means, yes, try very hard to get. किसी चीज को पाने के लिए बहुत कोशिश करना. Okay? It's okay, Dhara. Now, next question is, when we do not give the same opportunity to anyone, then what happened? When we do not give the same opportunity to anyone, this is called, yes, inequality. Very good. This is called inequality. When we do not give the same opportunity for anything to anyone, this is called inequality. Okay. Now, next is, what do you mean by the discrimination? Discrimination means, discrimination means, partiality. Discrimination means partiality. Means भेदभाव करना. Because of not looking similar to us, not like as our community, not a person of our community on the base of community, religion, state or area. This is called discrimination or partiality. When we, yes, partiality. Okay. Now, what do you mean by the prejudice? It's okay, Krishna. What do you mean by the prejudice? Okay. Partiality, yes. Now, give the definition of prejudice. It is given on page number. Prejudice means judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Okay. Meaning is partiality. Definition is judge other people negatively. Okay. Prejudice. Definition is to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Okay. Done, beta. So, tomorrow we will do the question and answer and I will send you the PDF of worksheet. Okay. Everyone, your today's homework is do page number 40 in your worksheet. Okay. I have to take your attendance. Don't leave without permission. We have a time. I will ask question now. Don't leave. Okay, so nobody will leave. you the more question. Okay. Now next question is, which type of, what happened when Bhimrao Ambedkar reached on the railway station to meet his parent or father? What happened? Who is itni lambi rashes? Beta, don't give stickers. Harshvardhan, Dishika, Rases. I'm telling you again and again. They were discriminated. First time Bhimrao Ambedkar discriminated. Okay. Now here is a question I told you that I will ask tomorrow. Despite, here is question, page number 21. Page number 21. Despite the children offering money, the cartman refused them. Why? Give this answer. Despite the children offering money, the cartman refused them. Why? मतलब बच्चे उन्हें पैसे दे रहे थे, डबल पैसे दे रहे थे, फिर भी कार्टमैन उसे लेने से मना कर रहा था और उन्हें कहीं भी जाने नहीं दे रहा था. Why? What was the reason? Spite means हालांकि बच्चे उन्हें मनी दे रहे थे. Yes, because they were untouchable and they thought that if the cartman will touch or those children will sit on the cart, their cart and cartman both will become impure. Both will become impure. That was the reason. Okay. Now second is, how did people at the station discriminate against Dr. Ambedkar and his brother? It's long answer. Okay. How do you think Dr. Ambedkar felt as a child when he saw the station master reaction on his statement that they were Mahas? You can give this answer in one sentence. How do you think Dr. Ambedkar felt as a child when he saw the station master? Very bad. Yes. He felt very bad. Okay. Now next question, have you ever experienced prejudice or witnessed an incident of discrimination? How did this make you feel? क्या आपने कभी इस तरीके का कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन देखा है या आपके साथ हुआ है? अगर हुआ है तो how did you feel this? Now you have to observe. कभी ना कभी, कहीं ना कहीं, as a boy, as a girl, as a caste wise or as a work, discrimination होता ही है. Now you have to check in your life, check in your society. Okay. You have to observe the behavior of the people to each other. Okay. So now here is discuss again. In addition to lower caste being discriminated against, there are also various other communities that are subject to discrimination. Can you think for a few other examples of discrimination? Can you give me the 3 examples of discrimination? Dhara, don't talk personally, beta. Don't chat personally. Can you give me the other few types of discrimination? Better not earlier people, even today people are also doing this. क्यों? क्योंकि ये on that time people were not educated, और जो पीछे से सोसाइटी ने बना दिया, जो थिंकिंग बनी हुई थी, उसी को बिना सोचे समझे सब फॉलो कर रहे थे. उन्हें ये पता ही नहीं था कि हम जो कर रहे हैं वो गलत है या सही है. बस हमारे एंसेस्टर ने जो कह दिया, बड़ों ने जो कह दिया वो कर लो. इट इज ट्रू कि बड़े जो कहते हैं वो सही कहते हैं, वी हैव टू फॉलो इट. बट बड़ों से भी कभी ना कभी कहीं पर कुछ कमी रह जाती है. तो कोई भी चीज है हमें उसे समझना है. पहले आंख बंद करके किसी भी चीज को फॉलो नहीं करना चाहिए. वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग कि अगर कोई हमें कुछ कह रहा है तो वो क्यों है, क्या है, कैसे है, देन यू हैव टू फॉलो इट. ओके. अर्लियर पीपल ने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि जो वो कर रहे हैं या जो उनके एंसेस्टर ने उन्हें बताया है वो ह्यूमैनिटी के अगेंस्ट है. एक ही इंसान है, एक ही भगवान ने बनाया है, और यहाँ पर उनके साथ भेदभाव हो रहा है. ये किसी ने नहीं सोचा. एंड दे फॉलो जनरेशन वाइज. ओके. So tomorrow we will do the question and answer, and also we'll do the worksheet, the remaining part of worksheet, and I will also send you the PDF tomorrow. Okay beta. So now everyone take care. Goodbye. Now you can leave. Okay.